In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get best secret Argos discount promo codes. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find reliable codes, how to choose the right one, and how to apply it at checkout for instant savings. First, open your web browser and search for Coupon Follow. You're looking for the official couponfollow.com result. Click through to the site. This is a well-known coupon aggregator that keeps store pages up to date, so it's a great place to start when you're hunting for Argos promo codes. Once you're on the homepage, use the site's search bar and type Argos. On mobile, tap the magnifying glass if you don't immediately see the search field. Open the Argos page from the results to view all the current offers available. Now scroll down the Argos page to browse the list of codes and deals. Take a moment to read each offer's description. Look for helpful details like minimum spend, product category exclusions, new customer only restrictions, and expiry dates. If you see indicators such as verified or a recent last tested note, that's a good sign the code is more likely to work. If an offer is a deal link rather than a code, it may apply automatically once you click through, but we'll focus on code entry here. When you find a promising offer, click Show Coupon Code. A small window or panel will reveal the code. Next, click Copy to put the code on your clipboard. If your browser asks for permission or blocks a pop-up, allow it so you can see and copy the code correctly. With the code copied, head over to your Argos basket or checkout, add the items you want, then look for a field labeled Promo Code or Voucher Code. Paste the code into that box and hit apply. You should see the discount reflect in your order total before you place the order. If it doesn't apply, double check the terms. Confirm you've met any minimum spend, the items aren't excluded, and the code hasn't expired. Also, most orders accept only one code at a time, so remove any older code before trying another. If a code fails, simply return to the Argos page on Coupon Follow, pick another offer, and repeat the process. Sorting by newest or verified and checking any user notes when available can improve your chances of success. Combining a working code with sale prices or free click and collect can maximize savings. That's it. Quick, simple, and effective. Happy saving on your next Argos order.